To catch fish, start by locating a body of water on the map, which is easily identifiable as a small island surrounded by an ocean. Once you've found the water, walk up to it and press the 1 key on your keyboard to access your default fishing rod. Position your mouse towards the water and hold down the left mouse button until a bar appears and starts moving up and down. Release the left mouse button when the bar reaches the top, where a green area is indicated. To achieve a perfect cast next, randomly appearing shake buttons will prompt you to click them. Be cautious not to misclick, as this will require you to repeat the process. After clicking several shake buttons, a red exclamation mark will appear above your head, signaling that it's time to reel in the fish. To do this, hold down the left mouse button to move a white bar to the right, and release it to move the bar to the left, aiming to keep it within a gray line. This process can be tricky at first, but with practice, it becomes easy. Continue maneuvering the bar until you successfully catch a fish. You can fish in any body of water. And to stop fishing, simply press the 1 key on your keyboard again to stow your rod and return to normal movement.